The house is located in the Azpitia Valley on the coast of Lima, Peru, approximately 90 kilometers south of the city of Lima and 20 kilometers from the beach. A place known for its local vineyards and its pre-Columbian ruins, a kind of natural oasis for people escaping from the big metropolis of Lima. It sits on a slope at the foot of the mountain, overlooking the path of the Mala River towards the sea, facing the vineyards. The base of the house is composed of platforms made of local stone, covered with xerophytic plants that hide the internal program of the sauna. Above the stone layer are located the terraces, an extension of the social area, kitchen, dining room, and living room, covered with a wooden roof that protects from solar radiation. Two main materials were used: brick, locally made, and stones from the mountain near the house. Using these stones, we created an implicit connection between the mountain and the house. The house integrates with this arid landscape and presents a geometry and a palette of textures and colors according to this environment. Additionally, the house is like a new layer in the landscape above the existing ones, the pre-Columbian sites and the remains of textiles and ceramics. An image of different temporal layers united, using layers of local artisanal materials mixed with others industrial. It is the result of a process of internalization of local landscape elements. Materials, textures, plant species, colors, bringing inside what is far outdoor, the tactile experience of the natural landscape in daily life, internalizing its imagery, the image of the desert, the aridity, the valley, the mist. Inside, we have a void of 6.80 meters in height. The entire first level, comprising the social areas, is an open space surrounded by gardens and views. Recycled wood from an old dock was used for the interior, and for the windows, terrace roof pumakira wood was used, a wood that can withstand weather conditions, the dryness and heat of summer and the cold and humidity of winter. Porcelain tiles were used. This material was chosen for its thermal and tactile qualities, a smooth transition from the rough rocks in the outdoor space to a smooth surface in the interior area. The house was designed for a couple in their 50s who were seeking a space that would reconnect them with rural and natural experiences. The valley, the vineyard, the farm. The terrace roof is a kind of grid that allows light to enter. The grid is composed of a wood pattern developed according to the path of the sun, avoiding direct radiation. It creates a transitional space, shade, semi-shade, and open spaces, projecting interior life into the outdoor space. Bricks were used for their thermal, visual, and tactile qualities. A solid and porous skin that protects from cold and heat and creates an interior refuge. Additionally, to create a strong connection with the landscape and the artisanal quality. second level contains the private areas, the main bedroom and the secondary one, both framing special views of the valley. The hallway on the second level is a space where you can have more private conversations or activities, such as listening to music, watching a movie, etc.